So, you want to make a drawing video? First, you need some paper. I have a sketchbook just because it helps me stay organized, so yeah, cool. You also need a lamp. I have this cloth thing covering mine just because my phone likes to make it look like the center of the sun is in every single drawing I do without this covering turned on. Wow. Point it to your drawing, probably not, point it more to the side like this if it's too bright so that way your camera doesn't reflect too much of it. And there you go, you're pretty much ready to start. Of course you need your pencils and stuff, so yeah. Okay, now that you have all that stuff set up, you're going to need a pile of books. I just have these books here just because I found them and I kind of like them. They're pretty nice, not gonna lie. Check them out. But yeah, you can just put them behind your sketchbook or your piece of paper, whatever it is you're using. I have this little platform here behind connected to my desk that is pretty handy, but you don't need it. You can just put them right here if you want to, you know, whatever works for you. Okay, now you're gonna need a clipboard. I'm using this blue one right here that I like to use because it's blue and that's my favorite color. So yeah, just get a clipboard. If you don't have one, pretty cheap. Doesn't really matter what kind of clipboard, it just has to be a good clipboard that's not flimsy. Okay, so to hold our clipboard in place, I'm gonna use this 5-pound weight. You can use anything as long as it's heavy and it'll fit on top of your book stack like so. Okay, so what you're gonna do with the clipboard is you're just gonna put it on your books. You're gonna get your heavy thing, you're gonna put it on top of your clipboard, slide it all the way back, and then there you go. It's gonna stand up pretty strong. And then there's only one last step after that. It's pretty easy. Okay, so the last step to get you started is just take your camera, flip it around this way, and then put it on your clipboard. Slide your paper wherever it needs to be to get in frame. And there you go, you have yourself ready to make a drawing video. So yeah, don't worry about how long it takes because I'm going to show you guys how to speed your videos up and make everything look all nice and pretty later on. But yeah, just get to drawing. Alright, now that you have your recording, I'm just using this old Siren Head drawing that I did a few months ago. But yeah, you'll have your own video files. I'm using what's called Shotcut. Is a free editing software. It's pretty nice. So that's what we're going to be working with today. So what you're going to do is you are going to choose which files you're using. I just inputted these 3. But yeah, so as you can see, have this all going on. But yeah, so what you're going to do is you're going to click down here. You're going to right click. You're going to choose add video track. And you can just drag this on here like so. And there you go. You have your video right here. And now you can go to filters and click mute. And now there won't be any sound, and that's what you want because you want to have probably some music overlaying it. Now we're going to go to properties and we're going to speed this thing up. Probably you might want to just speed it up at increments of a time, probably at 10 increments. So we're going to do 10 times speed right now. Press enter, go down here, and there we go. Here, I can bring it up like this for you so that way it's a little bit easier to visualize. So yeah, and then we can go up here and then do 20. And there we go, 20 times speed. So yeah, I'm gonna play it. It's kind of bad at processing it and actually showing it in this feed, but that's not too important since all we're doing is just speeding up the video. And of course, you'll have your own parts before and after this. Just clip them together like so. You're just gonna go to playlist. Just clip them together like that. So anyways, now we're not gonna really do much with this, mostly with this one, but yeah, we're gonna speed it up. So I'm gonna take this one, drag it back, and there we go. So that's our video that's sped up. That's all that really is to making a speed drawing video, is just speeding videos up, putting them together. Everything else is pretty self-explanatory and it's pretty easy to figure out. But yeah, that's really all that you need to know in order to make your own speed drawing video. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or concerns, definitely hit me up in the comments. So that way I can try to answer all of your questions and just make things clearer to you. And of course, if you did like this video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe. If you're not already subscribed, ring the bell just so you get notifications when I post new things. That's gonna be it. And as always, keep your pencils sharp.